Okay, we got Felix and we got Tommy. Felix, any last words?
How'd this?
Shit's about to get serious. He's also got a cigarette. Anything you want to say?
By the way, I know you have a revive, so this may or may not be ending tonight. Couple more drags. Yeah. Dude, I'm just prolonging your temporary death. Chill.